Hey everyone, good morning. It's Marla. Hopefully, everyone is doing well. I did a review video, I guess a couple weeks ago, on a product that is by Vitayes, and it is their effective in just 5 minutes instant age back lifting cream. It's called Botox in a bottle. When I did it back then, I was really impressed with the way it relaxed the lines in my face and really made my face, I thought, look like I got more Botox. But back then, I didn't put makeup over it to show you what it looked like. So that's what this video is about. The way you apply this product is you dampen or moisten the areas of your face that you're going to apply it, and then you take just a very, very small amount of the product and then just use a tapping motion over any bags you might have, or lines or wrinkles or deep lines and wrinkles, to try to make them look less noticeable. And by moistening the area and also using a very minimal amount, you really don't get any white cast or residue on your skin. I'm just going to tap this product around the lines around my eyes and also around the lines around the corners of my mouth and my nasolabial folds. Now that all those areas are covered, I just need to remain expressionless for about 15 minutes and let everything take effect. So I'm going to wait the time out and I will be back probably in about 20 or so minutes. So I'm back, and I think you can see a little bit of the difference in my face, those lines, especially those deeper lines around my nose going down to my mouth, have relaxed a little bit. And now I'm going to apply my makeup on top of this product. I'm going to keep it simple and do a very natural look, starting out with my eyes. This is a product that I was sent from UNDONE Beauty. It's new to me, and they sent it to me to test out. UNDONE Beauty is one of my favorite cruelty-free companies. Really love pretty much everything they've sent me. Their products are paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is a 3-in-1 cream eyeshadow palette. It's made with castor oil, which is really great for nourishing and conditioning of your lids, especially my lids, which are very dry. It has 3 areas. It has a primer, an eyeshadow, and a liner. The top color, the cream, is the primer. You can put that all over your lid and under your brow. The area in the middle is a long wear cream eyeshadow, and then the very bottom dark shade is a highly pigmented formula that you can use as a liner, or you can smudge it out on your lash line. So I'm going to start out with the cream color, which is the primer, put that all over my lid. This blends right into my lid effortlessly. It's a long wear highlighting primer base, so it really makes my eyes look more awake and kind of sparkle. And this product will be sold exclusively on Amazon through August. I'll put a link for this. I'll put the one for Amazon in my description box, and then I will also put a link to this 3-in-1 cream eyeshadow palette directly from UNDONE Beauty's website. Now I'm taking the middle shade and then I'm putting that all over my lid. This is a product I would use when I want a more natural look, just to kind of emphasize my eyes without looking like I have a ton of eyeshadow on. You may be able to combine this along with some of your powder eyeshadows. I haven't tried that yet, but right now I'm just using the cream eyeshadow palette all alone on my eyes. This palette comes in 4 different shades. The name of the palette that I have is called Royalty. Now that I have the eyeshadow on my lid, I'm going to take that more pigmented formula, that is the liner formula, and I'm going to line my lash line with it. I'm going to use my MAC eyeliner brush and line both my upper and lower line and smudge it out a little bit, and you can see how natural that eye looks. I'm going to go off camera, finish the other eye. And now I am back curling my lashes with my favorite eyelash curler, the one from Kevyn Aucoin. For mascara today, I'm going to use one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, the L'Oreal Waterproof Lash Paradise. Both my eyes are done. They look super defined, super natural, but I don't look like I have a lot of eyeshadow on. It just looks really like I don't have really anything on, but my eyes look super defined. Now I am taking one of my favorite green neutralizers, the one from Touche Eclat. I am going to actually put that on all those areas that I applied the lifting cream from Vitayes. I put that along my nasolabial folds, and that is where I am putting this neutralizer. I am dabbing it in with a dry sponge. That is all done. The original product, the lifting cream, has not moved. I feel it's really staying in place. Now I am going to put on my favorite foundation, the one from Amorepacific, the Cushion Foundation. I really love cushion foundations, especially on my mature skin. There's just something about them that makes it look like you're not wearing foundation at all. Everything looks seamless, just gives such a beautiful, radiant glow to my skin. This really is one of my top foundations. So I'm dabbing this all in again. Anywhere that I originally put that lifting cream, I am not noticing it moving at all. I feel it's all staying in place. The key is not to use a lot of oil-based products. Next, I am going to use a concealer over those areas that I applied the lifting cream. This concealer is from Origins. Really love it. It's their Plantscription anti-aging concealer. I'll list everything I'm using down in the description box, but it's a concealer that I reach for all the time. It's light, has pretty good coverage. I just feel it doesn't really set a lot into my fine lines and wrinkles. Now I'm taking the bronzer from No7. This is in the shade Caramel. And then I am going to just bronze up my face, give it a little bit of warmth. Now that my face is all bronzed up, I am going to go off camera, do these crazy eyebrows with my Wet n Wild eyebrow liners, and I'll be right back. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's from MAC. It's gingerly. It's a very natural looking blush. I really reach for this a lot, and I am just applying that all over my cheeks. Another favorite cruelty-free product that I love is OFRA. This is one of my favorite highlighters from OFRA. I'm just putting that on just the tops of my cheeks just to give them a little bit of highlighting, and also putting it on the tip of my nose. And I'm just going to put a little drop of added blush. That's a cream blush. This is a 3-in-1 cream blush from UNDONE Beauty that is also cruelty-free. To powder my face, I'm going to use IT Cosmetics CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. This really minimizes my pores, makes everything look flawless. It is getting hot in here. I think I'm going to take this robe off. Next, I am testing out this product that was sent to me from OFRA. It is their lip gloss, and it is in the shade Orchid. Okay, I will be right back. Got to take off that robe. Too hot in here. Having a hot flash. Back to the regular programming. This is a lip gloss that was sent to me from OFRA to review. It's in the shade Orchid. This is a really beautiful sheer shimmering violet lavender shade. Really creamy formula. Very comfortable gloss. And what I like about this gloss is it is packed with antioxidants and it has sun filters in it, which I absolutely love that idea. idea. It also has a really lovely sweet scent, and it has jojoba oil in it, so it keeps your lips from drying out. You can wear this alone, or like I like to do, I like to put one of my lipsticks on first and then use it as a topper. OFRA is always great. They always give any of us that do any reviews for them a 20% off coupon code. I will put that down at the bottom of the screen and also in my description box. Really beautiful natural orchid shade. Love the way this just kind of brightens up my lips. That is it. The lifting cream held up all around my eye area, around the areas of my crow's feet, also around my nasolabial folds, and the wrinkles around my mouth. It held up to all those products put on top of it. I really do think that lifting cream from Vitayes is kind of amazing. It was on the doctor's show. I'll put a link to that video down in the description box. I would love to see how it works on eye bags because apparently it is fabulous on them also. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye bye from Marla.